Alright, so over here at the shop, I got my old school BENZ here. And I got this like $20 foam cannon. It's a Trinova. So I guess we'll see how it does. I'm not going to use special soap. I'm just going to use some, let's see, what's the name of it? Some Zeppo Shine, which it's decent soap. We use it on a lot of our stuff here. So let's see how it works. So all in all, I'd say that worked pretty well. And I didn't use the special soap and still got completely foam cannon, so pretty neat. Alright, so I've let that sit for a couple minutes. You can see it's kind of dripping off of it, and now I'm just going to rinse it down and see how good of a job it did. Alright, so I'm not going to dry it because I don't really care about stuff like that, but as you can see, it did a pretty good job. This car's got a matte finish, so it never really looks that good after you clean it. You can always still find stuff. Not to mention all the pine needles that need a couple washes to get off all the cracks, but all in all, foam can definitely works. It was pretty cool. I liked using it. It's neat seeing the whole thing like covered in mousse. So $20 foam can gets my vote. And as you can see, it's clearly working because of all the beading on the windshield. So hope you like that. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. You can catch me on Instagram at Lowristocrat, and have a good Easter. That's all for today.